everybody, this is Tammy Wood from Saucy Outdoors. I am very excited to share with you an Asian-inspired smoked salmon recipe using my 6-rack digital Bradley smoker. Easy to use with fantastic results each and every time. The marinade that I've used for this smoked salmon is consisting of 6 different ingredients: fresh basil, soy sauce, brown sugar, garlic, ginger, and sesame oil. Mix it all together, stick your fillets in, skin side up, leave it in your refrigerator overnight. In the morning, pat dry and stick inside your Bradley smoker set at 170 degrees and let the magic happen for the next 3 hours or until the internal temperature of your fish reaches 160. And this is the end result of that amazing fish. This is a smoked coho salmon. It is smoky, it's salty, it has hints of sesame oil. Your guests and your family are gonna love this dish. And if you would like the recipe for this dish, you can contact me on Saucy Outdoors Facebook page, Instagram, and you can also email me at saucyoutdoors@hotmail.com. And happy cooking.